is up, Trill Ones? What is up? In this video, I'll be showing y'all how to blend. I'm gonna be your best guidance as I can be and try to teach you what I learned from experience. Alright guys, first thing you want is bristle paper. This is bristle paper. Get it smooth. Smooth bristle paper would do perfect for graphite and charcoal. You don't want the other kind. That kind is basically, I feel like it's basically strictly for, not strictly, but it's basically for whatchamacallit, like Prismacolors, watercolor, all that other good stuff. And the paper that I'm talking about is the vellum bristle paper. This paper that I have right now is a smooth bristle paper, not the vellum. So tools you will need is the blending stump, some type of blending, which is, I prefer to use this blending stump. This is what I'm using in this. And your drawing utensils and erasers. I got the Imperfectionist 1056, 1056, electric eraser and kneaded eraser, gummy eraser, I like to call it. And this talking about Mama Zero eraser. But that's all you really need.
Alright, first thing you want to do is add a layer with the 4H. Then next up you gotta put the 4B at the bottom, which would be the darkest. Blend those in together. And you always put hard over soft, meaning the 4B first and then the 4H or whatever you know that's below that. Then you just go in order. Blend and blend. And when you blending, get rid of those hard edges. Make it soft as possible. Don't make it so choppy, because if it's choppy, it's not gonna look right. Blend it something like that. Next, after that, you take your eraser and bring out the highlights. Bring out the highlights and use the knitted eraser too. Now after you finish with all that, blend it in if you want. Next you do the shadow. You do the same step that we've been doing. 4B, HB, 2H, and then 4H. Mind you, no hard edges, just soft. Blend that all together. And the reason why I say this is the blending stuff is one of the darkest blending methods out there. The other methods are the brushes, finger, toilet paper, tissue, cotton balls. It's a lot of methods, but I like to use those what I just named. But I'm gonna show y'all all the blending techniques out there, well, that I personally use.